Today I will show you how to create a gradient text in Filmora. Go to titles and drag the default title. Add on the first layer. Click on the advanced button to open the advanced editing window. Go to the customize panel on the left. Let's type something hello. I will choose the size to 200 and also choose another font. I usually go to impact. Find the text field section. Choose gradient. Fill from the drop down menu. Now I can see two color opens for me to choose from. I'm going to choose light blue and purple. You can also add some animation in the animation tab on the left. Let's check out how it looks and comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys next time.